I've been working on improving this self-driving car simulation that we have here in Unity. This is what it used to look like, just cars shooting out rays and using that to learn how to navigate around the track on their own. And this is what it looks like right now. Before we do that, let me actually show you what I've changed. Let's just say I'm not the best at art, so I'm not even going to attempt 3D art. So instead I've gone with a more Minecraft aesthetic. I have a car made out of blocks. At first I hated the blocky wheels, but then they just kind of grew on me, so keeping it in. Next, I need to actually go ahead and create a training environment for the cars, but I'm quite lazy, so I did not want to create the track manually. So instead, I built a script to turn a PNG file into an actual racetrack. There were a lot of optimizations I needed to do to actually get this to run, but anyways. So now I can copy a track outline online, spend like 2 minutes doing some color coding, and voila. We have a track built. There's still some bugs sometimes, like sometimes the car collides with the ground, which doesn't really make any sense. So if anyone knows how to fix that, please let me know. Next, we need to give our cars vision, just like they had in the old simulation. Now, there are multiple ways you can do this, but I'm just going to stick with raycast because they're quite simple. I know performance, yeah, but so I generate a pyramid of rays from the player's face, and I've also given it the ability to move its head around a little bit. Afterwards, I spent like freaking 5 days just searching up how to get somewhat realistic physics within Unity. Anyway, so now we have a stable-ish race car, and we can simulate tracking changes as the car moves away from the tarmac to dirt, for example. Then I spent about 2 days working on useless things like the lap timer, a best lap time, some sound and particle effects, speedometer, and on-screen control so we can see what the AI is doing and how fast it's going. A first-person camera so we can see what the AI is looking at. Hopefully this will allow the AI to eye corners before it actually gets there, determine how sharp the corner is, and determine how much it wants to brake. Some punny names. Damn it, Willie, get it together. Finally, I added a mini-map. In the old AI racing game, cars started on top of each other and there was no collision. So I added starting positions to our map generator and turned on collision between cars. And so this is what the game finally looks like. Now, it's finally time to watch them learn to drive. Okay, so I actually ran into some technical difficulties here and I wasn't able to train them. I built the original genetic algorithm library when I was still new to Unity and C#. It's a hot mess. Although most of my code is still hot garbage right now, but anyways. For now though, the cars are just chilling and I guess they're just having a rave. So make sure you're following so you can keep up to date with this project and you can watch as these artificial idiots learn how to drive. Might do a live stream of that actually.